Let's try to get some proximity practice. Not proximity as much, but just want to try and, like on the split S, I just want to try and get as close as I can to the tree, and, like, you know, instead of going like all the way up and then coming down. I want to try and get better at just like going over it, keeping it in view more of the time also. So let's try and do that. I was gonna try and turtle mode out of that. Good thing I didn't. I was right in there. Alright, a couple more tries and this battery might be done, so let's try. Let me try and get this gap right here. I don't know where I should come in from. I'm also kind of scared because of the road. The road is there, and I don't want to sorry, I'm checking the props. I don't want to go and then have a car pass by and hit that car, so maybe let me try it maybe once. Let me clean you guys up.